The Fixies.
请在美剧朗读后一起跟着念哦 Let's go!
10-year-old Tom Thomas always gets into trouble. On the Discovery Kids show, The Fixies. Luckily, his friends Simka and Nolik help him solve problems and learn new things. They secretly live in Tom Thomas's apartment. And are part of the Fixie family. The Fixies are tiny creatures. They go inside machines, such as broken computers and robots, and then fix them with special tools. They also teach Tom Thomas about science. How do drains and levers work? The Fixies can explain. However, life isn't always easy for the Fixies. Chusaka, Tom Thomas's dog, often tries to hunt them down and catch them.